Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a different video. It's about our pet dog Bruno. Bruno is a male bull mastiff. He's 3 years old. Actually, we bought him home when he was just 30 days old. It's from the very same day. He gets excited when he sees my brother, his best buddy. So today is a Sunday. So Sunday is supposed to be a shower day for Bruno. So he's going to have a shower. He actually loves taking a shower.
As I told you, Bruno is a bull mastiff. Bull mastiff is a large size breed of domestic dog. It was originally developed in 19th century to guard estates. The breed was created by crossing the English mastiff with Old English bulldog in England. The bull mastiff breed is known as guard dogs. They were bred to tackle and pin a poacher that comes on their land. And an issue with most of the people who face with the breed is the dog may jump onto an unfamiliar person and tackle them until told to stop. But Bruno is well trained and he hasn't jumped over any unfamiliar person till date. He loves to take bath in cold water. As you can see, he needs a lot of water. Bull mastiffs are strong, powerful but sensitive dogs. For a bull mastiff to become a well-behaved family member, consistency is needed and training and socialization is of high importance. Dogs of this breed are natural guardians of home and owners. No special guard training is needed for a bull mastiff to react appropriately if its family is endangered. A normal bull mastiff stands 24 to 27 inches tall and weighs around 60 to 90 kg, whereas Bruno is very healthy and he is 22-inch tall and weighs 70 kilograms. As you guys can see, he's enjoying his shower. Bull mastiffs are great family dogs because they are completely loyal and they want to be with the family all times. And the best part is when you come back from work or get back from office, they have so much love that they're so happy to see you when you're back. Bruno in particular is very sensitive to anything being moved around. If someone comes in and move around any pots or anything, if it changes its position, when Bruno comes out, he goes to attention suddenly and ears will come up and eyes will get focused and he realizes that there's something different that on his land. Something has been changed and he evaluates whether that's okay or that's a threat. We use this shampoo. It's prescribed by his doctor, which keeps him away from ticks and flea. He's very loyal, playful, happy to be around. He's best to go out with kids. He can be a good babysitter too. You have to spend some quality time with him and they're not meant specially to be left alone outside. They're happy to be around. He eats thrice a day, morning, afternoon and evening. Chicken is his best dish, but he's fine with vegetables too, but too much of them may spoil his mood. We use a soft scrub on his body so that his fur doesn't get damaged, and he sheds once a year, but his hairs are too short, so shedding is not a big deal. The other thing with the bull mastiff is they have very cute big heads. People love to grab them, especially who love pets. So we really tell them they're welcome to pet them, but we tell them to start petting on the sides, not on top of the heads, and grab them on top or pet them over the head because it can be seen aggressive to them. As you guys can see how obedient he is, he stays calm and cooperates well such that we can give him a good bath with minimal effort and he enjoys it too. He should be very careful when washing his head and mouth. So as you see, we have to lift up his mouth and then apply the soap and water such that the water doesn't go into his mouth or nose. As the breed comes from England, they are well adapted to low temperatures. They can bear cold but not hot, humid. So, however, showers are the boosters to maintain their temperature well. He is very obedient and listens to all commands given to him as he is trained, and very friendly, nice to pet with. That's his favorite move. It's called the jump over move. He's done with his shower. We let him stay for some time so that the water comes down. After some time, we'll have to wipe him out with a good towel. That's actually the wiping call. We wipe him well with this towel and remove all the excess water, and then tie him under sunshade for some time such that he gets dried well. Now he's good to go in the sunshade, so he goes dry. Thanks for watching, guys. But I have some interesting moments of Bruno in the end. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, and please do subscribe.
ബ്രൂണോ, ശ്രീജിത്തിന്റെ ബൈക്ക് കടിക്കരുത്. ബ്രൂണോ, ഇവിടെ ഇവിടെ ശ്രീജിത്തിന്റെ ബൈക്കിൽ, ഇവിടെ ഇങ്ങോട്ട് നോക്ക്. ശ്രീജിത്തിന്റെ ബൈക്കിൽ കടിക്കരുത്, അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് അവൻ വഴക്ക് പറയുന്നത്. ബ്രൂണോ, ഇവിടെ